Welcome back to the channel, automotive enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers, as we take a comprehensive look at a vehicle that completely redefines the concept of premium camping. Just as the final month of summer arrives, Mercedes Benz has officially unleashed its latest masterpiece, the highly anticipated new Marco Polo camper van. Arriving precisely in time for those end-of-season road trips, this luxurious home on wheels is designed to be the absolute ultimate glamping vehicle, seamlessly bridging the gap between a 5-star hotel suite and the untamed wilderness. Based on the heavily updated V-Class architecture, the new Marco Polo proves that exploring the great outdoors does not mean you have to sacrifice high-end German engineering or elite passenger comfort. Visually, the new Marco Polo commands attention with a striking revised front fascia featuring an expanded radiator grille, optionally illuminated with LED contours and standard adaptive multibeam LED headlights that give the van a sharp, focused presence on the road. But the true magic of this sophisticated camper lies entirely within its incredibly versatile and luxuriously appointed cabin. Stepping through the sliding doors, you are greeted by an interior that mimics a premium modern yacht. The living quarters feature high-quality yacht decking-style floors, premium leather seating, and an intelligently designed kitchenette, complete with a 2-burner gas stove, a sink, and a highly efficient compressor refrigerator. When it is time to rest, the Marco Polo effortlessly transforms into a cozy sanctuary. The power-operated pop-up roof reveals a spacious sleeping area with a high-quality spring suspension mattress, while the rear bench seat folds completely flat to accommodate 2 more adults, ensuring comfortable sleeping arrangements for a family of 4. What truly sets this new iteration apart, however, is its cutting-edge digital integration. The dashboard now features the spectacular MBUX widescreen cockpit, utilizing dual 12.3-inch displays, while the innovative Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control Module allows you to manage all camping functions, including ambient, lighting, auxiliary heating, and water levels directly from a central touchscreen or your smartphone app. Whether you are navigating tight coastal roads or parked by a serene alpine lake, the refined suspension and efficient powertrain options deliver a remarkably smooth and whisper-quiet ride. Ultimately, the new Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo is a magnificent achievement, delivering unparalleled glamping, luxury, and modern technological convenience, making it the definitive choice for those who want to travel the world without ever leaving their comfort zone.